Hey y'all, today I'm making a really easy crock pot dish. I've got 1 packet of the onion soup mix and a can of cream of mushroom soup. Just gonna pop that right in there. Came out perfectly clean. It's always a plus. Then we're going to be taking some beef broth, but I only need 1 cup. So watch me just pour that in there. It's not a whole can. And that's 1 whole cup. That goes right in there. Then I'm going to be adding just a couple spoonfuls of minced garlic. That's dependent on just how garlicky you want this to be. And then this is an 8-ounce packet of sliced mushrooms. Goes right in there. And then this is a bag of frozen meatballs. I'm using the Angus ones today. And that goes right inside. Give this a good stir. See how they're still frozen? Putting the lid on this, and we're gonna cook this on high for 2 hours. So this has been cooking for about 2 hours on high. If you prefer to cook it on low, you can cook it for 4 to 6 hours. Instead, just go ahead and give this a good mix. Then, because we're making a stroganoff, we're gonna add, this is an 8-ounce tub of sour cream. We're gonna just go ahead and add the entire amount and mix that in. Then you can serve this as is, but I will be adding, this is a 16-ounce bag of egg noodles, the wide kind. Just put that all in there. Once that's all mixed together, look at this, it's like meatball stroganoff. Make sure you get some meatballs, a little taste test bowl. It's really hot.